Bruce from Safiery, Land Cruiser 300. You're going to see something today that you haven't seen before in anything we've done in the Land Cruiser series. We're going to chat to Derek in a minute here, but just a reminder, this is our low profile lifestyle kit in the back here, and we've got the angle drawer 30 litre, we've got the induction in here, we have the switch on here to turn it on. And then for the lights here, we've got our usual white and amber at the top up there, and all the cabling on that is all concealed in through the sockets. Meet Derek. How are you today, Derek?
Yeah, good, thanks, Bruce.
What are you going to do with all this power?
Looking forward to heading the Northern Territory, and I need it for the aircon to stay nice and cool on those hot nights. Okay,
now Derek, that's Derek's Zone RV back there, and Derek's hooking these two up. 600 amp hours in here at 12 volt, and similar number back in the van, is it?
It's 600 as well.
Right, so you're going to have 1200 amp hours of lithium here. I mean, you'll run the aircon all day, to be honest, at that rate, but you've got in there, you've got solar on the van that'll keep it running in. So we're just sitting in the front of the brand new LC300 now, and up on the screen here, we've got our lights in the rear. So just watch this. I touch that on. There's the white light on, and Derek, just touch the amber and turn the white off. And there's the amber on. So that's all done now on the front screen. It's a bit of a bonus. How good's that?
It's fantastic.